Hey, my name's Christine, and I'm hanging out with
Cherif and
Izabel.
We are here in Fort Lauderdale at this wonderful event that Cherif is putting on, and the main topic is talking about funds. So I just wanted to ask, what is the difference between a syndication and a fund?
Well, a syndication has just one asset, like one property, and a fund has multiple assets. In a real estate fund, you can have commercial, residential, discount notes, etc.
Awesome.
Yes, and what are the 3 benefits of a fund?
Okay, the 3 benefits of a fund really is, number one, you have a little bit more safety for the investors because they're able to buy units of the LLC, that's the real estate fund, and then their money is diversified for real estate, let's say residential, maybe a commercial deal, and also some discount mortgage notes that are cash flowing. So that gives it a higher level of security and safety. Number 2, it's revolving. It's not like I got to raise money in 90 days or I'm going to lose the deal. It's ongoing and all that. And then the third way is you gain credibility with the lenders and investors stay with you longer term. So you can do a debt fund, which makes it a lot more beneficial for you.
Yeah, one of the things you mentioned today was the difference between an equity fund and a debt fund, and had no idea about that. Man, so much value today. So thanks for hanging out with us. Let's see if we can grab him for another quick video.
Thank you.